Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Climax hybrid panel security alarm system and you want to restore the factory default settings on it like it is coming out of the box. There's kind of two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If for whatever reason this system is not working properly and you're trying to fix it and you've tried everything, you can just kind of reboot everything to the way it was when it came out of the box, and that will fix a lot of these issues. And the second reason you might want to do that is related to that. If you want to get a fresh start on this system for whatever reason, if you're installing it someplace new or anything like that, we can just go ahead and restore everything to the way it was coming out of the box. Now we can either do this and it will save the network information, or we can just completely do it, just completely wipe everything. So what we're going to do is from the control panel, you'll see we're going to go to the system settings submenu and go down to the factory reset. And then once we do that, it's going to ask us if we want just to confirm everything, and it's going to give us the option to keep the security settings and keep the device list and just reset everything else. If we do not check this, it will not keep it, and everything will be wiped to the way it was when it came out of the box. We'll hit yes, allow it to do its reset, and everything will be restored to its out of the box settings.